Alright guys, in this video I am going to show you the easy step by step how to add a user to your WordPress website as an editor. So let's get down to it. The first thing you want to do is you want to go to your WordPress dashboard here and scroll down to users. Go up here and add new. Then this window right here should pop up. But first, let's know what are the role of these users. As an administrator, you have access to everything on your website. An editor has access to all pages, posts, comments, categories, tags, and media uploading. As an editor, you can write, upload, media, edit, and publish there. Author can write, upload media, edit, and publish their own post. Contributor can only write and edit their own post. Subscriber can read and comment on posts and pages. So now, let's add a user as an editor. Before you do that, you need to know the name and the email address of that person. So let's, for example, after you finish all, you click here. And as you can see, this guy right now has access to all pages and posts, comments, categories, tag, and media uploading on your website. So that's how you do it. And if you guys want to know how to add a user to your Google Analytics account as a viewer, we want to check the link down below. Subscribe to this channel and I'll see you in the next video.